What is up, fam? I know it's been a minute, guys. Bear with me. But today's video, as you guys can see by the thumbnail, it's gonna be a banger video. We're on our way right now. So obviously you guys see the thumbnail, you guys see the title. Gonna be racing. I don't know what cars yet, but he said he wants to line them up. So gonna see how we do. I will keep you guys updated right now. And just stay tuned, man. But I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that notification bell button. And yeah, man, just do what you gotta do. But stay tuned, because this video, I'm telling you, it's about to be lit. So I'm about to put my GoPro on right now, and then once after I mount that on, I'll go ahead and show you show you what the cars are and stuff. But let's get to it right now. Fortunately, I already pumped gas. I'm running on 91 V power from a Shell. You know, I feel like that's a decent gas, like pretty good gas that I've been testing out overall. But yeah, man, I hope you guys been all good. My subscribers, I need to get my subscriber gang up though. You guys need to help me on that, share my videos and all that stuff. But other than that, I hope you guys been good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, man, I haven't raced in a while, but tonight's the night. So, catch you guys in a bit. So we got a couple cars. We got a 5th gen right there. Got a 2021, I believe it is. Got the white one, Mustang full bolt-ons, and Scat pack, I believe it is. And then next to between those, right there, is gonna be an SS as well. Fucking GoPro stopped working. I don't know why it said SD card error. So I'm gonna try the best to record over here, but like I said, we got a couple cars. They're all cool dudes. Gonna do some highway rolls, see what's up with that. Get to Mexico, guys, and then we'll catch you guys there. It'll be a little bit of a drive. Do 35.
What?
35.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So yeah, guys, I just got done racing that Beamer right there. I don't know what it has. I think I got that one by a couple cars. About to race this one right here. Wanna go again? Alright. Yeah, that's a truck, bro. 30? 40? Got him on that one. $40? $30? BMW, twin turbo. So guys, it is the next day after the race. Unfortunately, like I said in the video, my GoPro wasn't working. I don't know why. Like it said SD error. I just didn't know what to do, so I just tried recording my best I could with my phone. So you guys bear with me with that, with this content that you're pretty much watching now. You already watched it, but I'll make sure next time to not buy any cheap SD cards or anything, but you learn from your mistakes. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I do want to point out some new things on the car that I've been doing to it. It's just little small things, but so yeah, man, I haven't turned it on in a while, so I'll give you guys a little cold start to end this video. But as always, make sure to like this video, share this video, comment down what you think, anything you want to comment, positive, no negative stuff. I'm all about positive, you already know. And subscribe, man. If you're new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed, don't matter, just hit that button. It's free, and you're helping me out, and you're helping yourself out. That way when I post bangers, you guys can be the first ones to see it. You hit that notification bell button as well. And for me, well, come on, if you guys do that, then I'll get more motivated to post more videos, you feel me? So go ahead and do that for me, guys. So go ahead and give you a quick little cold start, and then that's gonna be it for this video. So I'll see you guys till next time, man. Peace. Tell that's cold right there. So I'm gonna end off this video, guys, man. Take care, stay safe, stay clean, and peace.
Morty, give me a beat. Oh man, okay, all right.